Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an actual fall makeup video. I feel like I haven't done one of these in such a very long time. So I decided why not just do it now. If you want to see how to recreate this look or give you some inspo, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my eyebrow brush. What is this? Angled liner. Alright, and then I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. eyebrow cream in the shade Espresso. It's also okay if I mess up because I go back and fix it anyway. I try to go and fix it in with the concealer. I'm actually using, honestly you can use any concealer, I'm just using the NYX one that I've had forever. I'm kidding, I haven't. But you know what I mean. So usually before I actually start putting the concealer to fix my eyebrows, I would have gone in with my primer. So let me show you guys which one it is that I'm using. Aside from the Smashbox one, I really love this one, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Primer. It is actually for oily skin. So if you want a matte finish and also minimizes your pores, which I love. I highly recommend it. It's not even pricey. It's I think $9. And I just spread it all over my face. Like I said, I probably would have put this on before putting my concealer, but I forgot. After I put my primer, I actually go in with my foundation, but today I'm going to be using my BB cream, which is the new CoverGirl. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. It is the new CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. I actually got it in the shade 580, which is tan. And I have used this already. I really like it. I don't know. I feel like it's really lightweight. So yeah, I'll just put a little bit right here. Not even a little bit. And then I use my beauty blender. This is also what I use to when I decide to wear my mask to work. I do half up. I was breaking out because of my mask. And also I stopped doing my skincare. So I started doing it again and they're starting to go away. And then after I do that, I usually use my spoolie. I just fix my eyebrow. So after that, I fix my eyebrows and stuff. I actually go with this NYX eyebrow tint for the outside of my eyebrows, pretty much. I don't know what you call it. So I put it right here. So I go in with this concealer after that, and it's the Instant Age concealer. And then I use the shade Sand. And then you have to twist this, and then some of the concealer comes out. So this is how I do mine. And I did notice this one's a little bit light for my skin, I guess, right now, since I was out, you know, in the sun and stuff. So I just go ahead and use the other one as well, the other concealer that I was using prior to this one. And this one's in the shade, well, this one it just has a number. It's also the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop type of concealer. And then I just use it there, that way it evens out. It's all about playing with makeup, I guess. But yeah, anyways, this one's in the shade 06.7. It's a little darker. So after that, I usually go in with my Physicians Formula from Willie Hong. I actually use the bronzer in here, the blush, and the highlight. So I really love everything in here. The other day, I actually ended up dropping it by accident, so half of it fell out. Kind of sad about it. But yeah, I really like this. So I go ahead and take this angled brush. Sorry I haven't washed it, guys. I promise, this is my everyday makeup. So this place like this, and I go in with a little bit of this one and a dab of that one. So it's the bottom one is Sunset Bronzer and the top one is Butter Bronzer. So I go, that's how I do it. I loose face powder, which is this one, I don't know how to pronounce the name. So Earspun? I hope that's it. Cody Earspun? Anyways, I love the scent of this, and it's like translucent. I think they have different shades and stuff if you don't want translucent, but that's what I use. It comes with this, like at the top. I actually don't use this. I just put that to the side. Grab some and just apply it right here. So I guess you would consider like baking the face. I actually go in with that same angled brush, add more bronzer, and then just apply it right here. I don't add more on the brush, and I just do the bottom. So let's just take this off. And I use just my powder brush to wipe it off, because I don't want to have any like harsh line. And I do it right here. And I actually do it anywhere else that I get really oily. So I leave that on there while I do the blush. I go ahead and grab my highlight / contour brush. I guess that's what it's called, but it's just like a circular fluff brush. It's not as fluffy as this one, but it's like similar to it. And then I go ahead and use that same palette, this one, the Physicians Formula one, and I actually use Wildflower. So Wildflower is this one right here at the bottom. And then I just grab a little bit, and then I just go ahead and add it up here. And then I go ahead and just take away the powder with that brush. So whatever's left on this blush brush, I actually put it on the top of my nose, like this. And then after that, I go ahead and add some primer to my eyelid. I actually keep my eyeshadow look like very minimal. And this is the Milani eyeshadow primer. It actually works. I really like it because my eyelids are really oily, so this helps a lot. And then I go ahead and blend that. And this one I put it all the way to the top of my brow bone. It says that it takes like 30 seconds to dry, but I like to do my highlight while that's happening. So I go ahead and grab my fan brush, and I go back with this palette, and I use the Golden Hour highlight. So and then today I'm going to be using the Yes Please ColourPop palette. It has all these fall shades. I really like it. I use these two colors. I go in with this one, and this one I just use for like the outer corner. So I'll go ahead and grab some of that, and then just apply it all over. Then I go in and use this brown one. The reason why I'm not telling you guys the names is that because it has it all back here, but I heard that it's like reverse, so I don't want to be giving you the wrong name. And then I feel like I just pretty much blend it to make sure it doesn't look like I just added it on there. A round brush, but it's like not as fluffy. And with this one, what I do is I go in with the highlight and apply that to the inner corner of like my eyes. And then with this same brush, I go ahead and grab the other shade, which is Butter Highlight, which is a lot more like of a white highlight. I go ahead and use those same two colors that I use to do my eyeshadow to the bottom of my waterline. So I start with a darker shade, and then I go ahead and apply it from the outer corner at the bottom of my waterline, working my way towards the inner corner. And then I go ahead and grab the brown shade, the lighter one, and then just work my way to the inner corner as well. It is the Honest Beauty mascara, and turns out Jessica Alba I think came out with it, and I had no clue. I had no idea. So it has like a mascara, and then it has a lash primer. I actually don't use a lash primer. I don't know, I really like it because it makes my eyelashes really long, and I don't have to like use fake lashes to like make my lashes look cute, you know? So then for my lip, I actually go ahead and use Virgo Moon from ColourPop, and I just go ahead and dab it all over my lips. So this is actually the final look for my fall everyday makeup. And then usually what I've also been doing is putting my hair up in a bun it just be like a crazy messy bun. And then I really am vibing off of those like pullover sweaters, the ones that are really baggy, oversized. I really like them. So please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing videos like this. It gives me like a little bit of insight of what you guys like to watch. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye!